Instagram stories. We have to open the app. And once you're in the app, you're gonna go to the bottom here to home, and then once you're here, you're gonna slide to the right. Then you're gonna have this right here, this window. You're gonna click this little icon on the bottom, and then you can just pick one of your videos. I'm just gonna choose this one, and let's see how it looks and how it sounds. So there you have it, and then you're gonna click on the plus sign right here on the bottom so you can share it on your Instagram stories. You can see right here that I have like this circle, like this pink circle on my profile picture. That means that you have a new Instagram story, and then this is how it looks once you share it. The Instagram story is gonna last 15 seconds, so make sure that your video is 15 seconds long, and make sure that takes the entire screen, like this Instagram stories that I have. As you can see, it takes the entire screen, and this one too. So make sure that your video is in portrait mode, because if it's not, it is not gonna look the same. It's not gonna look good. And if you want to see a tutorial of how to edit your video so it can look like this, just leave me a comment and be like, Cesar, can you make a video on how to do this kind of Instagram stories that you have, and I'll be more than happy to make it and share it with you. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.